This is a little bit outside of the topic of false memories, but is it possible to train memory? Like, what have you understood about memory? Like, can it be improved?
Yep, it can be improved, and there are now some really good brain training apps as well that can help to get people to work better with attention, to have NBAC tests, so remember information, a couple of information pieces of information back. So, what did I tell you 3 sentences ago? There's all of these kinds of, well, games effectively that you can play that will in fact train how your brain is using its networks. There was one that was developed by researchers, including researchers at the University of Bonn in Germany, and it's called NeuroNation. And that's one that I like because it's all these really short games. And the idea is that doing one thing like Sudoku or whatever, the sort of classics to train your brain, that is only going to be useful up to a point because it's then the same thing over and over again. And what you want to be doing is lots of different kinds of tasks so that your brain has to remain flexible. And so short and many is the answer rather than one thing hard. It's almost the opposite of expertise.